Hello from Wandering Wanda. This is a very quick how-to tip regarding your toilet. Alright, sometimes the rubber seal in the toilet does get dried up. So this is my solution to it. I don't have any Vaseline, but I do have Vicks Vapor Rub, which is also petroleum based. So it does work also. What you will need is you will need sewer gloves. Okay, come down here to the toilet. Get a good smattering of petroleum jelly, or in this case Vicks. This is going to be disgusting, so disgusting warning. Open it up and then rub the Vicks all over the rubber sealant. I don't know why, but it actually does work. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.